Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class, we will do some practice examples on NFA to DFA conversion. That NFA consists of multiple final states. In our previous classes, we already discussed about how the conversion is. This is just the practice example for understanding how multiple final states will be affected on DFA. So it's very similar. That's why we are not giving much explanation about how to do the conversion NFA to DFA. You are not good at the conversion, please watch our previous class and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, the example here is NFA that accepts strings containing last two characters are 00 or 11. This NFA construction, in our NFA practice examples, we already constructed this example. So this is our NFA. The same way in our DFA examples also we constructed DFA for this logic. Let's check we are getting the same logic or not. So this is our NFA. In this NFA we are having Q0 on applying 0 we are moving to 2 states, on applying 1 we are moving to 2 states, Q0 and Q3, Q0 and Q1 for 0, and after that we are taking 0 and 1 here. These are the final states. So what's our procedure says? First we have to convert this into transition table. First we will convert this into transition table. This is our transition table. On Q0, if you apply for Q0 Q1 0, we will go for Q0 Q1. If you apply for 1, we go for Q0 and Q3. This is our transition table, the above diagram table. We are not going to explain all these states again. Q2 is the final state, Q4 is the final state, Q0 is the initial state. So first what we have to do in order to convert this NFA into DFA, first we start from the initial state, write down as it is the initial state. On Q0, if you apply 0, we are moving to Q0 Q1. If you apply 1, we are moving to Q0 Q3. So Q0, this is the transition table for DFA. Assume that we are constructing step by step. We already written here, but assume that we are constructing step by step. The first step has been constructed, Q0 Q1. On applying 1, we are going to Q0 Q3. So this is our first line. So the next different combination which we obtained here is Q0 Q1. Make it as a separate state in DFA. So Q0 Q1 is our next state. How we apply Q0 Q1? Q0, if you apply 0, we are going to Q0 Q1. Q1, if you apply 0, we are going to Q2. Union of these two, we got it as Q0 Q1 Q2. That's why Q0 Q1 Q2. The same way, Q0 if you apply 1, we are moving to Q0 Q3. Q1 if you apply 1, we are having 5 means empty state, we are not moving to any state. Q0 Q3. So the answer is Q0 Q3. Next different possibility, different combination we have is a Q0 Q3. Make it as a separate state. Same way, Q0 Q3. Q0 Q3, if you apply it, we will get Q0 Q1. On 1, Q0 Q3, if you apply it, Q0 is Q0 Q3. Q3 means Q4. Q0 Q3, Q4 is the possibility. And coming to the next one, the next different possibility is Q0 Q1 Q2. Make it as a separate state. When we apply Q0 Q1 Q2, if you make it a union, we will get Q0 Q1 Q2. The same way on 1, if you apply Q0 Q3 is the union of this Q0 Q1 Q2. Next one is this possibility is over, this possibility is over, this possibility is over, this possibility is not yet completed. Make it as a separate state, Q0 Q3 Q4. When you apply on this, and if you take the union of all these outputs on 0 and 1, we will get Q0 Q1, Q0 Q3 Q4. So we don't have any other different possibilities. All possibilities are mentioned here. For all of them we have mentioned the state. So which one is considered as the final state? In our NFA we are having Q2, Q4 are final states. Wherever you find Q2 or Q4, make it as a final state. In this we are having Q2, so make it as a final state. In this we are having Q4, so make it as a final state. After this we will construct a DFA, this transition table, into transition diagram. How to construct that? It's very simple. We are not explaining. Q0, if you take it as 0, we are moving to Q0 Q1 state. The same way, if you take 1, we are moving to Q0 Q3 state. The similar diagram in the DFA logic we discussed about this example. The same diagram has been obtained when we constructed the logic. Okay, this is all about different examples, different possible examples on NFA to DFA conversion. In our next class, we are going to discuss about minimizing the DFA. We can minimize the DFA So that examples will be discussed in our coming classes. I hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.